Okay, welcome to my course DTCO in this semester 2025. My name is Seungmin Hong, and okay. So in this semester we will talk about DTCO, Design Technology Co-optimization, and it is simply a framework aimed at achieving continued scaling and performance improvement in advanced semiconductor technologies. So I will explain the concept again and again throughout this semester, so you don't have to be worried about what is DTCO. And nowadays, actually, DTCO is quite important. It is the main driver for performance improvement in these days. However, it is very difficult to find out any course dedicated to DTCO. I think that there are several good reasons to have this phenomenon because DTCO is kind of some very specialized skill to improve the performance. So its detailed information is not disclosed to public. So even the contents discussed in this lecture is not fully aligned to the state of the art, the reality of DTCO. There are tons of words about DTCO. Actually, DTCO is a buzzword in these days, but the reality is not very clear. So that's the reason why it is very difficult to find out a course for DTCO. So in this course, I'm doing my best to introduce DTCO to you. This is the initial exposure of DTCO to students, but I cannot certainly say that this is the all of DTCO. So the contents is very limited to the TCAD-based DTCO. When you read papers named as DTCO, there are so many different flavors about DTCO. If you are working with EDA company, then your DTCO is not the one we are talking about right now. So, however, I'm more related to the foundry and TCAD related part. So I will just concentrate on the TCAD based DTCO. The point is the real one is always related to the real fabrication. You have to have the real device and real chip. However, in this facility, it is not possible to talk about the real chip because it takes several months and the cost is too high. So we'll just do something inside our computer. So please understand. And prerequisite. This course is actually named as so basic ECS, but unfortunately this is not for basic stuffs. So I think that this is one of the most advanced topics in undergraduate level. Even graduate level, I guess that this is one of the toughest course. So if you have not attended previously the courses shown here, then I would like to recommend you seriously reconsider enrolling this course. So this course is not for junior students, not for beginners. So I will just directly dive into the details of our DTCO. So if you are not ready, then please leave this classroom. So this is my final warning on this course. Okay, so but you are really determined to enroll this course, then you will suffer quite a lot and learn quite a lot. Okay, so as I told you before, this course is made by myself, so there is no currently available textbook. So I guess that who knows? So what will happen to our semiconductor industry later? Several years later, maybe nobody will remember the words DTCO, or sometimes, or in other case, maybe everybody should learn about DTCO. There can be two different futures, alternative ways. So I'm not that sure about what will happen in near future. But anyway, right now we have no textbook, so only lecture material distributed. That will be the references for your study. So please study the lecture material in advance. And where can you find the lecture material? So I will just show you the information and references. Of course, the best references for this course would be the textbook by Professor Tower. So if you have not read this one, then please